All right.
You recording?
Yep.
All right, we have our selection. 3M packing tape, or no, Scotch packing tape, or 3M blue tape.
Blue tape.
This is what we're gonna fix. All this looseness, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty loose, huh?
Yeah.
Loosey goosey. And I'm gonna go with the blue tape here. Why? Because I can. Put a little here like this. Put a little across the side more here this way. Around the bottom, it's kind of like that. I don't know. We're so ghetto. This is great. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Just because the blue tape is gonna break, we'll use some of this clear packing tape, kind of holding all of that shit together. Kind of. Yep.
We should make our own DIY channel.
Oh, what?
DIY fix your plane.
Yeah. Good. No, it's good.
Good.
All right, still recording?
Yeah.
And it's flying away.
No, it's not.
Of course not. My approach, I'll circle it here. In the sun, I can't see shit.
Good job.
And the wind's starting to pick up a little bit. And that's not close enough, is it? Here, I'll hold it. You grab
Not
it.
close enough.